three wise men, go find that baby. And if you do, tell me. Then I will come to worship him too. But the three wise men didn't understand. They knew that the king doesn't like other kings. So guys, welcome to my video. Subscribe to my channel. I hope you love this channel because today I'm doing some videos. So I'm gonna do some dance please challenge. So my brother and sister is gonna tell please and dance. For a few seconds, I'm going to tell you a story about a man named Joseph and a girl named Mary. It's like now today I'm gonna dance. First round. One, two, three, go!
Dance, 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 freeze! Dance, 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 freeze! Dance, freeze! Dance, 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 freeze!
Play!
Dance, 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 Ever, freeze! Dance, Ever, you have to still say dance. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 freeze! Dance, 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 freeze! 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 Dance, 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 freeze! Dance,
Now
dance,
this is
dance.
all for today, guys. Now I'm going to tell you a story about Mary and Joseph. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mary. She didn't have any children. She lived in can't say it. So she was engaged by a man named Joseph. They used to be close to each other.
And
So they were just a little cute. So one day, Mary was at nighttime. She was going to bed. So God's angel came. Then it was Gabriel. So he sent a message. He said, Mary, you're gonna have a son. Then she was shocked, like this. Oh. She said, how come? The angel said that you'll have a son. He'll be the son of Most High. Then he'll be named as Jesus. Then Mary was surprised. She said, let it be as you say. Let it be as you say. See, if God talks to you and sends his angel Gabriel, you may be surprised you haven't seen an angel before. So, in case if you missed this, you have to go back. Then Mary, she told Joseph. He didn't understand. So, he didn't know, so he went to his bed. In a dream, an angel came. Then, an angel came and told him, Mary's got a baby. Then, he was surprised. And he said, whose name is it? His name will be Jesus, the Son of Most High. If you haven't seen Jesus before, you have been surprised. You haven't seen Jesus before, but you believe in him. Instead, you do what he says. Then, it was time for Mary to have the baby, because she already did. It was in her belly. Then, Joseph was so surprised. He ran at night time with no one would eat, not sleeping. Then in the morning time, he was surprised because Mary already have a baby. Then Mary, she had a son in a stable. Then the angel told to the shepherds that go find the baby in in a barn. You see him with straws. Then the shepherd was so surprised with their sheep. They left them behind. Then, then when they found Joseph, then when they found baby Jesus, they were so happy to see him. They joyfully praised to God happily. Then three wise men were coming. Then King Herod, he knew what the baby looked like. He was the king of the Jews. He was the king of the Jews. Then she was so angry that she will punch his hands together. But he didn't. He said, "No, long time ago, it was maybe in the past. If a king says that there's another baby, the king of the Jews, he would be furious. Furious as a very young boy. Furious as nothing. He was furious by himself. So King Herod sent his soldiers and the three wise men didn't go back to him in town. He was so angry that he was so very angry. So, in case you missed it, you have to go back. So this one is the last place. See, now if you understand, I'll tell you the meaning. Bye.